Hi, today I want to prepare burgers, hot and tasty with incredible beef, cheese, the freshest vegetables, and flavorsome buns. And let's start. At first, I will toast buns on a skillet. Greased with olive oil, they become crunchy. I took buns sprinkled with pumpkin, sunflower, and flax seeds. I fry the buns until crisp. Now it is time of meat. I will fry it for 7 minutes on each side over medium heat until crisp. Now let's prepare the vegetables for the burgers filling. Cutting the pickled cucumber, onion and tomato into thin slices. Today I'm in the mood for the classics, so I choose tomato, pickles, lettuce, red onion and toasted or cheese for filling. Almost a cheeseburger. I love this recipe because it's the simplest one. Although now the widespread fashion for extra healthy nutrition and burgers is not considered as healthy food. But I don't think so. In my opinion, burger is a perfectly balanced lunch. Now all ingredients are ready and we can start forming burger. I've choose honey mustard sauce as for me it's the best sauce for cheeseburger and this sauce is healthy, easy in preparing and what is important not so fat as other burger sauces. Just an egg, mustard, honey, olive oil and some lemon juice. After sauce goes filling, first layer should be lettuce. Second layer is tomato. Then goes onion. The order of ingredients plays a role, otherwise the structure will be unstable. Meat. I hope I can put it neatly. Oh, look how juicy it is. And cheese in the final. Heat of meat will melt it a little bit. And pickles on the top to finish composition. The final touch. Carve out the incredible beauty by bun. Burger is done. It is time to try this culinary masterpiece. Can't wait for it. Really, smells so delicious. It looks gorgeous, isn't it? And now the question is how to cut it without falling apart. Not an easy task. I always had this problem. Hope everything would be fine. Oh, good. I'll show you closer. Well done. Let's try. Incredible. Be sure to try it yourself. Absolutely worth to try. And subscribe to my channel, smash a like button, and I will see you in the next videos.